themselves? Well, the secret lies in the paint, which is more than just a pretty finish. It's a scientific marvel that can mend its own scratches and blemishes. The magic ingredient? Microcapsules filled with a healing agent. Imagine the paint as a layer of skin dotted with tiny bubbles. Each bubble or microcapsule is filled with a special agent that remains dormant until it's needed. When a scratch occurs, it ruptures these microcapsules, releasing the healing agent. This agent flows into the scratch, filling it up, and then hardens, effectively erasing the scratch like it never happened. This process is a lot like how our bodies heal small cuts. The capsules are the equivalent of platelets in our blood, which rush to a wound, clump together and form a scab, allowing the skin beneath to regenerate. So these cars aren't just smart, they're practically living organisms. Imagine a future where car scratches are a thing of the past. This is the reality that self-healing cars are promising. These vehicles, equipped with innovative materials capable of repairing minor damages on their own, are setting a new standard for the automotive industry. The science behind it is fascinating, with special polymers and microcapsules filled with healing agents being the heroes of this revolution. When a scratch occurs, these microcapsules break, releasing the healing agent that reacts with the air to fix the damage. Looking ahead, imagine more advanced versions of this technology. We could see cars that not only heal minor scratches, but also tackle significant damages. Think about the transformation this could bring to the automotive industry, reducing the need for car repairs, lowering insurance costs, and increasing a vehicle's lifespan. In the world of self-healing cars, the road ahead looks smooth and scratch